Hello friends, my name is Nehal and today we are going to talk about the basic aspect of English grammar. The topic is noun. In order to make this topic simple, I have decided to create two parts of this topic. In this part, we will see different types of nouns with their examples and usages in sentences. This is the most fundamental topic in English grammar and useful to all the learners of English. Thus, without wasting much time, let's deep dive into it. Now, what's a noun? A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. We are going to see a few examples of nouns. London is on the Thames. The sun rises in the east. A dog is an animal. Here, London, the Thames, the sun, the east, a dog, and an animal are examples of nouns. Mainly there are 5 types of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Nouns are further classified in 2 categories: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Today we'll go through only 4 nouns: common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, and material nouns. The rest will be discussed tomorrow. First, common noun. Common nouns are the names given in common to all persons, things, places, and ideas. For example, man, woman, animal, birds, and so on. The sentence is, John is a boy. Here, John is a particular person who is a boy. But the word boy applies to other boys as well. So, boy is a common noun. Second noun, proper noun. Proper nouns are the names of particular thing, person, place, or idea. Examples: Albert Einstein, the Eiffel Tower, New York, and so on. Example sentence: Sir William Shakespeare was the greatest poet and playwright of England. In this example, Sir William Shakespeare is a particular person, so it's a proper noun. England is a particular place, therefore it's a proper noun. Third, collective noun. Collective nouns are the name of a group of persons, animals, or things regarded as whole. For example, team, army, navy, bouquet, herd, and so on. Example sentence: The army is ready to fight. In this example, the word army is a collective noun. Fourth, material noun. A material noun is a name of material, substance, or ingredient. Wood, steel, silver, wool, titanium, salt, chili powder, and so on. Example sentence: Gold is very expensive metal. In this example, gold is a material noun. I hope you have enjoyed today's podcast. Try to remember different types of nouns so that English grammar will be a piece of cake for you. Write down one sentence of each noun. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, bye and take care.